Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm in the middle of rewiring my MAF harness for my MAF sensor down here, and I just thought I'd make a quick little video on the method that I use so I'm not mixing up wires in this stock harness, because I originally did buy one of the MAF extenders that's already pre-made. You just plug and play, but it was the wrong connector style, so I had to take matters in my own hands and cut apart this harness and then extend it myself. So let's get into what I did here. So as you can tell, we got 5 different wires down here, right? So every time that I cut a wire, for example, like this yellow wire back here, it's pretty obvious that it's yellow, so I didn't mark it until I got up to the end here. I called it my legit yellow wire. And then for this one, since it's kind of like a tan color and I didn't have any tan color wires, so I just made it yellow. I taped this tan wire up here, remind myself, hey, it's the tan wire and not, you know, the other yellow wire, and cut it, marked it, did what I said about the tape thing, ran it, and then, you know, marked it up here, fake second yellow wire. And then my orange one's pretty obvious, it's the only orange one on the harness, but I did put orange up here just to make, you know, following the video easier. And then I got my 2 black wires. Notice how I did 2 different colors. Did electrical tape on one and then just the blue tape, and then, you know, marked it. Same thing down here. It's sticking, you know, electrical tape, and then marked it 3rd pin from supercharger side. So that's what we did right there. But that's what we did. So we marked it in 1, 2 different spots, or 3 different spots I'm at. And then on the harness here, we got it all corresponding with each other, you know, our 3rd black right here, our legit yellow, our orange wire, and then our fake yellow, and then our 2 different black wires here. Oh, kind of already said that one, but yeah, that's how we did it on here, just so we wouldn't confuse ourselves when we went to go wire this to that. So I just want to make a quick little video. Thought it'd be a good idea to make one, you know, just as a little method to follow along if you're ever extending any sort of wiring harness on anything.